Ayo, it's your boy, Master City Play. You know what it is. Ayo, we're back again. Ngiphethe uTony Dayimane mfowethu. Ayo, kusekhamba kanjani mfowethu?
Good, my dog. What's up?
Mfowethu, I'm good. Let me make sure ukuthi my shirt is up here. So yeah, mfowethu, I just seen you on stage, bro. Just tell me how is the atmosphere? How's the O3 atmosphere, mfowethu?
Yeah, no, it was actually crazy. The amount of people that are there.
Yeah.
Wow. So
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, like last time I saw you, dog, you was on an interview with Spreading Humors, dog, talking about you. I got that vibe with very chill, you know. But again, can you just give that advice to upcoming artists as well, you know, trying to perform? You see Manje, we are band right now, you know, and Manje, you about to get on stage, you feel me? And Manje, all of that, how do you deal with the pressures before you get on stage?
I think we'll try it. Like I've done, like, you know, not to like blow my own horn, but I've done quite a lot of shows, so it's not as heavy now. So I didn't figure like it's like let's do it, then we'll be out. So we're going to take Anjali. It wasn't too heavy.
Yeah.
So
yeah. Okwasingakho feel like O3 boys.
It's the second time. Second film 2023.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's the second time. I haven't came here quite a lot actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's up, G. But do you feel like the O34 audience, so they fucking with like they fucking with it like that?
It's actually tops. Yeah. It's quite a top audience there.
Yeah.
Probably we're top 3 this year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
That's what's up. Because I know Siganjalo, you know, we fucks with the vibe, we fucks with the music, so it's KZN, it's our people, it's our music, you feel me? We own this shit, dog. Would you say that?
Sorry, my dog. Sorry, I was focused on that.
Alright, cool. We're just gonna move to the next question. So where are like the next performances? Mhlampe ozowashaya, mhlampe like people can just expect Yabo you on, because you just given us to a great performance right now, ladies and gents. Anazi Nyaputello. But
I'm gonna be at Davidson next week. It's just a show. I'm working on my own tour also.
Oh yeah.
Big boy tour. Yeah, we just gotta decide the mind.
Yeah.
But it's gonna start in Durban, definitely. So yeah, I'm excited for that.
Yeah. Izoqala ekhaya vele.
Yeah.
Except bro, whatever you did to film, dog, I'm never gonna get over that shit, dog. Big shout out. And man, another thing, bro, ingathumude in present, dog. And the thing is, I'm actually older than you, bro.
Yeah.
Ngimdala now. Njengoba ngibona nginganje ngimdala now. But again, except bro, come on, bro. International bro, manje. But anyways, dog, thank you for pulling up to the O34 Issues podcast, dog. We appreciate you, dog. Always.